Want to hang out after school?
I would, but I have soccer.
How about after soccer?
Sure, that works.
Awesome. What do you want to do?
Maybe we could see a movie?
How about a drive?
Okay, I guess. That could be fine.
Great. See you soon.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Just got gas. Cost me over $50 to fill up. That's like a whole shift. How was practice?
Great, I got the last goal.
Nice. Ready?
Sure. How was your test?
Fine. That class is kind of a joke though.
Which class was it?
Grade 12 lit.
I didn't think we were going this far from my house.
Wasn't that your favorite class last semester?
Yeah. Where are we?
Don't worry about it. I don't know. It's pretty fun though. I love that we get to watch movies and pretend we're learning. You still down?
Did you say yes?
No, he wasn't getting it. I feel sick.
Thank you for sharing. I believe you. You're brave to talk about it, and this isn't your fault. I'm so sorry this happened to you. How can I support you?
I don't know what to do.
I'll send you some information. There is help out there for you. There's another way this should have gone.
You still down? You know what? I feel like you're maybe not into this tonight. It's been a long day.
Yeah, I'm actually exhausted.
No problem. I can take you home.
That'd be great. Thank you.